Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I did vlog our experience throughout this hurricane, just like I did with the last hurricane. This one hit harder, but it also hit personally, emotionally, because I know a lot of people that lost their homes, their cars, everything. People I know personally, people I went to school with. Seeing the city that I grew up in be flooded was crazy. Yeah, so let's get into the video.
Both of them are. People are just gonna take advantage of that shit right now.
No, literally.
Bro, everybody made it a fucking They said, well, they did. But the first one was federal or something. It was an actual, like, it was a federal car.
Yeah, like a government car, yeah.
Like a government car type shit. So, like, I know they have the permission.
That is crazy that they opened that lane. I mean, like, I don't know. This is the most.
Cause havoc.
This is the most I've ever, like, this is the most RVs, semi-trucks, traffic that I have seen.
Whenever I've been on the road, I haven't seen traffic. So.
No, there was hella traffic yesterday coming home. Not hella, like.
No, I know that.
But more than usual, like around the time that I come, around that time, it's already the highway's empty. But it's just crazy that they really. It's just crazy how everything's like playing out. All the billboards are off. This one's gonna hit harder than the one a week or two ago.
Around us, there's.
Look at the gas.
And they closed it off already.
They said no more gas for nobody.
No more gas. No.
We're at Sam's Club. Luckily, there's water. He's like so amazed with everything. Then he's sleepy, so. I got pan cubano. I always tell Ambrosio that we need to buy healthy stuff for the hurricane, and we always end up in this aisle, in the snack aisle. And he's about to get some fruit snacks. Again.
They got us right on the bus for the game on Sunday for the whole box of that. Like, give me 4 of those.
These are so good. I used to eat these all the time when I was pregnant because since I had digestional diabetes, this is what I would eat in between, so I would get full. So if you're pregnant and you have diabetes, I would suggest you get these. Maybe the baby's a bottle.
Big bag.
And you are a big bag.
Got a big bag.
This little octopus thingy in the back of my phone, it works because I can just literally plug it to anything and it sticks. What? What is that? No, babe, you're just buying dumb shit now.
No, like this.
Babe, no, we don't need that.
But like I want something. Look, or I could get the little value pack, instant savings.
No, babe, we don't need that right now.
Babe, I want
$23. You have me fucked up. No, put the shit back. No, you know what we can do with $16? I could buy salmon.
You want gum?
No, I don't want gum.
How are you gonna brush your teeth?
With water bottles. This is the reality of what it's like shopping with someone who just eats mugrero.
I already scanned it.
Babe, no you didn't. Stop.
I did.
You're taking Aurelio. You see what he's doing with your food stamps? This is supposed to be for good food.
It is, bro.
No,
I
it's
can't
not.
go wrong with
That
it.
is no. We do not
Push
need
pops.
that, babe. Put it back. Anyways, like I was saying, you can stick it to anything because look, just stick it onto the M&Ms. No,
You're gonna want something sweet.
babe, I already got that.
It's not gonna be enough.
I still have my stacks from the last time we went shopping, like 2 weeks ago. Like,
I finished all mine.
and you bought more. I'm so glad we're out of the toxic stage because this is what we argue about now. Where's that, Papash?
I want something.
Babe, you literally have vanilla wafers. You have so much stuff, Ambrosio.
That's for the baby.
No, that's for the baby.
Yes.
Bro, you have more gusgueria than real food. You don't even have real food in this.
My real food's already at the crib.
No,
Chicken,
I don't even know what the heck you're gonna eat, bro.
Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken.
We're not even gonna have fucking power, okay?
That's what I'm saying. You wanna buy dumb crap that we're not even. Oh, guys, no puedo, no puedo. You literally wanna buy things that are te van a echar a perder.
No.
This is the sky right now. It's empty. I didn't get you. I got the sky. All right, this is what it's looking like outside. It's pretty calm. Now it is pretty calm. It is 10 p.m. It's not supposed to land until tomorrow night, Thursday, early in the morning. So yeah, I don't know how to feel about this hurricane. I feel like it's pretty serious. Nobody's joking about it. Everybody was going crazy for gas. My mom said that she witnessed like 2 fights within these 2 days.
Take it. He gonna take it.
Babe, shut. Oh, he almost ran over that guy.
Told you.
Waffle House is really cleansed.
The storm comes through.
I believe we saw that after Ian.
Yeah.
We just saw that.
Alright, it has officially hit landfall like 2 hours ago. This is what it's looking like. It is so windy. I feel like I just jumped in the pool. I'm literally, oh my god, is it flooded over there? Oh my god, the yard is flooded. Look at the trees. Windy, a tree fell. And we haven't lost power yet. Hopefully we don't lose power, but I don't know. I know my mom already lost power. And they actually are having water go inside the house. Yeah. Anyways.
Damn, look at the wind over there.
I know. It's strong. And it sounds so scary. It's so scary. Oh shit. The wind is going all over the place.
Nobody helping us with that one. That gate blew down. That tree fell.
Tree. Oh yeah. Look over here too. They split over here. Dang, that tree fell.
This little tree fell. Imagine we can't get clearance.
Yeah, it's true for too. Look at all this water. Damn, they're flooded.
It's flooded where my tia used to live. That shit knocked over everything. These kids out here running and playing.
I think she has a newborn in her hands.
Nothing too major over here. Oh look, is that a tree?
What is that? Oh,
That
their
tree split.
sign.
That tree split though, look.
What tree? Oh, I see.
They got a bunch of moss.
Yeah.
Oh, the lights don't work. Over here.
I'm treated like a stop sign. Keep telling you to go. It's like a ghost town, bro. It's so like.
Aquí no.
A mí lo que me entendieron fue los árboles.
The traffic is crazy.
Traffic's crazy right now.
The roof. My baby's so nosy, y'all. Look. I have my laptop right here, and look, I'm trying to set him up. Oh, he just saw my phone. Oh. Look what. Like, he's literally throwing himself back. Look, I'm gonna have him sit. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm gonna sit him right there. I can't let go of him because he's gonna throw himself back. Hold on. He's not letting me let go. Hold on. Oh my god. Aurelio, you're so nosy, boy. Hey guys, so today is Friday. So the hurricane was yesterday. If it was yesterday early in the morning that it like happened. I'm at my mom's right now. Right now I came to eat. Look at how they have their little setup. The comal in here. This is what I don't like this. Chilaquiles? Is that what it's called? Chilaquiles? Wait, this has egg. What? I've never had it with egg. That looks like kind of good. Okay. My mom said she wants to experience something different. Anyways. Literally, the moment I got here, my signal went gone. So, my messages are taking forever to send, but it's fine. I'm here alone with my baby. Say hi, puppy. He was asleep and he woke up. I feel so bad. Anyways, I came to eat. They had made some, what is this? Quesadillas with jamon, queso. I had a bite. I already ate one of them and I had a bite of this one. Rice, beans, and then some carne. This is the meal. Literally, guys, when I got here, I didn't know my family wasn't here. I thought they were here. And I get here and I don't see the cars and I'm like, oh. Dulce. I get here and I'm like, oh, I don't see the cars. You know, maybe my sister or whatever. I was trying to load their location, but it's not loading. And I was like, sick. So, I come inside and there's like no power. And literally, as I'm serving myself this plate, the power all comes on. I'm like, I was their lucky charm. I was the little spark that they needed to be here for them to get power. Me and Aurelio. Right, puppy? Yay! Say cheese, papas. guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you have your post notifications on to get notified every single time I post a new video. As well as last time, I'll have links in the description where you can donate or where you can do more research on where you can help in regards to this last hurricane. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.